Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, we will see use of presentation media. In presentation media, we have lots of equipments such as OHP, that is overhead projector, computer, MS PowerPoint presentation, that is PPT, LCD, boards, charts, etc. One by one, we will see the information of them. First, OHP, overhead projector. Now, this OHP has outdated nowadays. The OHP's place has been taken by the projector, LCD projector, we can say. So, but we will see a bit information about OHP. The overhead projector is an important tool in media presentation as it facilitates the presentation with the significant points in his discussion. There was a box in which a bulb has been lit, and above that bulb there is a glass. And on that glass, we used to put slides, printed slides, and the slides would have been projected towards the board. So that was the work of overhead projector. Then the most important and very famous aid of presentation nowadays is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation is a software program that is a part of Microsoft Office package. PowerPoint uses a graphical approach to presentation in the form of slideshows that accompany the oral delivery of the topic. This program is widely used in business and classrooms, and it is an effective tool when used for training purposes. PowerPoint is one of the simplest computer programs to learn. It is the program used worldwide for presentation. Anyone can create stunning presentations that look like they were designed by a professional. Now, uses of PowerPoint presentation. You can use PowerPoint to enhance presentation. PowerPoint allows you to draw diagrams using a library of shapes and connectors. It can create a variety of graphs, including bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs from your data. PowerPoint comes with a library of clip art and audio files, which you can also include. PowerPoint can be used to make animated slides. You can share your presentation via a projector or the internet. Then, tutorials. PowerPoint can be used to make tutorials and worksheets for educational or training contexts. Instead of slides, these can be printed onto paper and given to individual students to study or work from. A tutorial on a piece of software could use screenshots of various menus combined with text and graphic elements indicating what each one does. A simple vocabulary sheet might use photographs or clip art of various objects for students to label with their names. Then we can also make games, animations, posters, etc. Now, how to make a PowerPoint slide. In the mass presentation, computer software are important and efficient. For example, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation helps you to put the important titles and subtitles to the audience. Now, slide design. In connection to the PowerPoint presentation or other related tools in which the slides are expected from you, few tips are noted here. The slide should be unambiguous, that is, easy to understand. It should not be complicated with the complex graphics and charts. You must conscious about the graphical appearance of your slide. The color combination should be appropriate and relevant, and you can use the pointer stick. The next is LCD, that is liquid crystal display. The LCD projector in one of the two main types in popular use. Unlike the CRT projector, in the 10 years before, in the last decade, we used CRT projectors, that is cathode ray tube. But now it is LCD projectors, that is liquid crystal display projector. The LCD projector is not based on the traditional projection tube. An LCD projector works by passing a powerful light source through a transparent LCD chip made up of individual pixels. Now, uses of LCD projectors. Lectures. Instructors supplement their lecture material with PowerPoint presentation shown with an LCD projector and computer. Then video. The teacher uses LCD projectors to show videos in the class. For example, they can show a documentary on YouTube or a movie on DVD, etc. Then quizzes and attendance. Then webcasts and webinars. Demonstrations. Now there are uses of LCD projectors. Teaching in curriculum, enhancing professional development with staff groups via large screen projections, facilitating video conferencing via large screen group participation, visiting curriculum websites. In conjunction with a TV, video, or internet source, projector provides a means of presenting video audience, modeling lessons, etc. Then, if you don't have such expensive types of presentations, then as an audiovisual aid, you can use whiteboard. This is a traditional and less technical tool, that is blackboard, but it creates a dust that is injurious to the health. Therefore, new whiteboards were created that use non-permanent marker for board writing and do not create a dust. So you can use whiteboard and marker. There are lots of colors available in the marker ink. You can use multicolor presentation on your whiteboard. You can draw diagrams, you can write on it, and you can do many wonderful things with whiteboard. So this was all about the use of presentation aids. Thank you very much.